how to connect Notion with n8n for free. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to set up a seamless connection between n8n and Notion step by step. You will see how to link your Notion workspace, create automated workflows, and send or receive data all without touching a single line of code. So let's get started. So first of all, let's talk about the requirement. First, you need n8n workflow or n8n account. So if you haven't set up any n8n account, just go into description and click on that link and you will get 15 days free trial. Then you need a Notion account with the API access enabled. If you don't have that, I will show you. Then you need to have your Notion integration token and database or page ID. So I will say you everything later on. So let's get started. So first thing first, you head over to your workflow and create your workflow. So this is a basic one. Now first what we are going to do, we will just add Notion node over here. First we will create basically you can say credential for that. So for the action, I will choose get database. There are a lot of actions, like you can say you can have append block, get many child blocks, then you have a create database page. So you have a lot of option. So I will choose get a database, and then from there you have to choose this Notion account, or you can say credential to connect with. Now click on this create new credential. We need internal integration secret over here. So how we are going to find this? So what you have to do is go back to your Notion and log in with your account. Just give me a second. I will log in with my account. So, okay, there we go. So as you can see, let me just create a new workspace. Click on this new workspace to demonstrate for work, for my team, project management, and tracking, continue. So this is the database. As you can see, just let me just take me to Notion, continue, and skip. So as you can see, we have created our workflow, and then in that we have some databases. So let me show you. This is my workspace. So these are the databases. So now what you have to do next is go to settings. From the setting, you have to go to connections. Just simply click on that. And from the connection, you have to search for develop or manage integration. So from here, you can basically manage your third-party integration with Notion. Just simply click on it and something will look like in front of you. So this is integration panel. If you have gone to profile, you can just simply jump to integration tab. Now over here, you have to create new integration. Just simply click on this new integration. And then after that, you have to enter your name. Like I will say test2. And then you have to choose the workspace. So these two workspaces are very similar to each other. So it will be going to a little bit confusing. Then from there, you have to choose the type, whether it is internal and public. So I will choose internal. And then after that, you can upload your logo. For example, I will just add some random logo here. And then click on the save button. So after clicking on the save button, you have to click on this configure integration setting. Now it will take you to this page where you will find this internal integration secret. Just simply click on this show button and it will show that internal integration secret. Copy that and get back to, from here you can see these are the capabilities of this integration, like it can read content, it can update content, it can insert content. You can give a lot of other permission as well, but I will just set up for the default. I will copy and get back to my n8n workflow, and I will just paste this internal integration secret and click on the save button. It will test the connection, and then as you can see, we have successfully connected with the Notion. Now what you have to do, there is one more setting you have to do, is go back to your n8n, Notion. Let me get back to my Notion, close this. Now then you have to choose the workspace. After choosing workspace, go to your database. Just simply I will just create a sample database over here. Now After accessible your database, what you have to do need is go to your, from the top right corner, you have to click on this three dot, and then you have to go to connections. And in the connection, you have to search for integration we have just created. Now, just simply click on this test2 and then click on the confirm button. Now, we have successfully integrated that integration into our database. Now, what we have to do next is go back to our n8n, and from the database, you have to select your database. Now, I will just choose this project one, which we have created earlier, and click on this execute step. So as you can see, we have successfully executed this step. We got our ID, then we got our name, and then we got our database URL. Let me show you. You can paste it over here and see the database which you have created. So yeah, this is how you can connect. And there are a lot of things you can do with this Notion connection. Once it is connected, you can do so much, like automatically adding new database entries. You can sync content from the apps into Notions, or even turning form submission into well-organized Notion pages. Basically, your Notion workspace will start working for you on autopilot. So yeah, that's it for today's video. And if you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.